So we've got artists and scientists coming together with children and learning about a very simple structure, the cell, which is pretty much the basic unit of life. The idea is that the younger children are learning just the basic, and then the older children are learning a bit more about protein synthesis, and we're using the artwork as a way of having a conversation, really. It's more about the questions, it's more about the dialogue, it's getting artists and scientists to talk together, it's getting artists to talk to kids, it's getting scientists to talk to kids, and kids to ask questions of people they wouldn't otherwise meet. It's about the conversation, it's about a physical thing being made so we can have that conversation, and it's about engaging with people. So in a sense it's socially engaged art. For the scientists, they've been asked other questions which they might not normally have to answer. You know, some of the kids will come in and they're really engaged, they want to know, they're like, oh, I want to be a scientist, I want to work in a cool place like this. Some of them will be shy, and that question may come in later. They may go away and not think about it for months, and then it might pop in and then they'll think about it. So I work with each of the collaborating artists in turn, and we discuss what they were going to do, what sections they were going to work on. So we divide it by organelles and by systems. So we had the metal structure, we put the wire and the foam on and the resin wells, but the rest of that was done when we were here with the children. They got to see almost a blank canvas. Enough that there was a hint of what was going on, but then the rest was theirs, and then they had some decisions that they could make. When I originally thought about this idea, I wasn't going to do it in here. It was supposed to be in an art gallery. Doing it in the street presents lots of different challenges. It's an interesting space because people are so used to just walking through that space, but it's a space that people move through. It's not a space people go to and just be in. People were starting to talk about it, which was the point of it anyway. And I think even if people didn't want to come and talk to us directly, they were happy to sort of take a photo, tweet about it. Most of the people that have been involved in the workshops are like, next time I'm going to do it like this, or I'd like to try something else, and that's good. I think it's encouraging people to work with other people, yeah. And that cross-discipline thing is working. This is the second time we've done an art science project, and I'm already starting to think about what I'd like to do next, so that's good. So yeah, it's been a success.